Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and in today's episode, I'm going to talk about the top 5 benefits to using pre-cut paint protection film in your paint protection film installations. So let's get into it. All right, reason number 1 for getting into pre-cut paint protection film is obviously going to be the cost savings. With pre-cut cutting software out there that cuts paint protection film patterns, you're going to have a whole lot less wasted material that you're going to be throwing away, and you're just going to save a lot of money, and you're going to use a lot less material. And the material you do use, you're going to be able to use it more efficiently. Number 2, kind of piggybacking off of reason number 1 with the cost savings, is the less waste. If you're doing bulk paint protection film installations, you're taking a large sheet of paint protection film, laying it over a panel, and you're cutting off all the excess material, and you're throwing that away. Whereas with pre-cut, you're able to better use the material available to you, and you're just going to eliminate a lot of waste. So you're not throwing away as much material. Reason number 3 to go with pre-cut paint protection film is it works as a better guide for your installations. So when you're doing your paint protection film installations, and for example, if you're doing a bumper, most paint protection film cutting softwares out there, the bumpers are designed to be installed from the inside out. So you start at your middle reference point, whether that's a license plate bracket or a sensor. And then with the shape of the panel, it's going to help you, just guide you and help you line things up better. The whole process of installing the PPF is going to make a whole lot more sense when you go with pre-cut templates. All right, reason number 4 for the benefits of pre-cut paint protection film: no knives. So with pre-cut templates, there's going to be a less chance that you're going to have to use a knife on the vehicle. Using knives on the vehicle is not something you should be doing in the beginning stages of getting into installing paint protection film. That is something that is an acquired trait that should be done down the road once you're comfortable using a knife with the proper pressure on a vehicle and you're not cutting paint. Without having to use a knife, you're not running the risk of cutting paint. All right, and now the 5th and the final benefit, in my opinion, to using pre-cut paint protection film is the consumer trust. Customers that are getting into the market or that are getting paint protection film installed on their vehicles typically want pre-cut paint protection film installed on their vehicle. And kind of piggybacking off the 4th thing about not using any knives, this is a big reason why customers want the pre-cut paint protection film installed on their vehicle. The consumer does not want you using a knife on their vehicle for fear of running into the risk of cutting the paint, and you don't want that. So you want that consumer trust. And customers, they do their research before they come to the shop to get paint protection film installed, so they kind of have an idea what brand they want to go with, and whether it's SunTech or Expel. They know about their cutting softwares a lot of the time, and they know how good the patterns are, and that is one of the big reasons why customers, I have found personally, go to you for paint protection film, and they really want that pre-cut. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you guys agree or disagree with anything that I may have said, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next one.